Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Discord and getting straight to user settings. Once the app is open, tap your avatar at the bottom right. You need to locate subscriptions or Nitro. This is where the billing controls live. Make sure you're on the account that has the Nitro subscription. If you use multiple accounts, sign into the correct one. Once you see the Nitro panel, you're ready to identify how it was purchased, because the next steps differ depending on App Store versus Discord billing. Now confirm where the Nitro charge originates, Apple, Google, or directly through Discord, because you'll cancel in that system. If Discord billed you directly, tap Manage Subscription in the Nitro panel and choose Cancel. Confirm when prompted. If Apple or Google billed you, stop the process here and open the App Store or Play Store app, go to Subscriptions, find Discord Nitro, and tap Cancel Subscription. Follow the store's confirmation prompts. Make sure to keep screenshots. Finish by verifying the cancellation. Look for a confirmation email or check the subscription state in the store or Discord. It should show canceled or expire date. You'll keep Nitro benefits until the current billing cycle ends, so make sure you note that expiry date. If something goes wrong, restart the app, confirm you're on the correct account, and review receipts. If needed, contact the store or Discord support with screenshots of your subscription page. One key tip: cancellations via App Store/Play must be completed in those stores. Discord can't override them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.